Do jellyfish age backwards? Not all jellyfish age backward, but there is only one type of jellyfish that does. Any guess? There is only one jellyfish species that can age backward and technically could live forever. It is called Turritopsis dohrnii. When faced with physical damage or even starvation, the immortal jellyfish ages backward. However, they can still be vulnerable to predators or disease. What do they look like? They are a transparent ball with a red stomach. They are 4.5 millimeters wide and tall, probably smaller than the nail on your little finger. They have approximately 90 tentacles. How does the immortal jellyfish age backwards? This is the life cycle of the immortal jellyfish. Adult jellyfish, also called medusae, release spawned eggs which are then fertilized by other medusae. The fertilized egg then grows into small larvae called Planula, which look like tiny worms and can swim freely. The Planula will swim to the seabed and form a digestive system to feed itself, turning into a polyp. When the temperature conditions are right, it will asexually reproduce and clone itself. After forming new sets of muscle and nerves, it becomes an ephora and can now swim independently, grow and feed. The medusa is a fully grown adult jellyfish. Usually, the medusa only lives long enough to reproduce. However, the immortal jellyfish has a trick up its sleeve. When the immortal jellyfish faces physical damage or even starvation, they transform into a blob called a cyst on the seafloor. This cyst then forms into a polyps and continues the life cycle. This process can be done an indefinite number of times. Think about the life cycle of a butterfly. Imagine that when faced with danger, the butterfly transforming back into a caterpillar, then turning into a cocoon and forming into a butterfly again. This is what happens to an immortal jellyfish. How does the immortal jellyfish repair itself? Through transdifferentiation. When the adult jellyfish turns into a cyst, the specialized adult cells differentiate into other adult cells that are needed. This creates a genetically identical jellyfish, as if the same one was brought back to life. Example: if there was physical damage to the muscle, the specialized adult cells can transform into muscle cells, making new healthy and strong muscles. To sum it up, the adult jellyfish turns into a form where they can repair, and then they start their life cycle again, sort of like aging backward. So, where can you find immortal jellyfish? They are thought to originate in the Mediterranean Sea but are now found in oceans all around the world. Hitchhikers of the sea. Theories suggest they hitchhike human ships and are dispersed all over the world. Their ability to rejuvenate when they experience stressful traveling environments or lack of food allows them to be excellent hitchhikers. How can their abilities be applied to science? Scientists can apply transdifferentiation to stem cell research, muscle disease, genetic disorders, memory aids. Stem cell research. The immortal jellyfish's ability to transdifferentiate can be researched to advance the field of stem cell research. Muscle disorders. Applying transdifferentiation can be used to promote muscle rejuvenating in people with muscle disorders. Genetic disorders. Salk Institute has been able to reprogram cells in lice by studying the immortal jellyfish and is aiming to be able to reprogram genetic disorders. Memory aids. Studying the regenerative properties of immortal jellyfish can be used to treat cognitive disintegration. So what did you learn? Let's try a quiz. The immortal jellyfish will age backward when experiencing. The answer is C. Starvation. Next question. The stage following Planula in the life cycle is ephira. True or false? The answer is false. The stage following Planula in the life cycle is polyps. Happy learning! See you in the next video.